Good morning, and thanks once again for clicking through on this ad. We have a 2020 Kia Niro Phev. So it's a plug-in hybrid. Both options here in a beautiful quartz exterior metallic. The thing about this car is it's a Niro 3. So that means top spec. You'll see now when we look inside, but exterior wise you can see the titanium alloys, graphite, and the chrome exterior with the neon lights. And then inside you have all of this: full leather seats, auto seats, folding mirrors, park mirrors, heated seats, heated steering wheel, a dog, only joking, and you can see the lovely ebony paneling with the chrome. It's absolutely gorgeous. Car's only got 27,000 miles. She's just out of the wrapper basically. Still got manufacturer's warranty for a couple of years. And there you go, unbelievable. So this is the Niro 3 top spec. Obviously you have park camera. Believe it or not, you can even drive with the camera on for some reason. Why would you want that? But there you go, in case you can't see out your windscreen. Turn that on, turn that off. Lane deviation alarms, cruise. So it's all here. And there you go, there's the mileage. So look, give us a ring. We have a number of Niros in at the moment, but this is the only Phev we have. In other words, the plug-in hybrid version. Nick is my name. Delighted to show you any of them. All the best. Cheers.